Colon health is crucial for overall well-being as it plays a vital role in digestion, nutrient absorption, and waste elimination. A healthy colon contributes to a balanced gut microbiome, which is essential for immune function and mental health. When the colon is functioning optimally, it helps prevent various health issues, including digestive disorders and chronic diseases. Understanding the importance of maintaining colon health sets the stage for exploring effective detoxification methods and recipes that can support this vital organ. By prioritizing colon health, we can enhance our overall vitality and promote a healthier lifestyle. The colon plays a critical role in nutrient absorption and waste elimination, ensuring that the body efficiently processes food and expels toxins. It houses a diverse community of bacteria, known as the gut microbiome, which aids in breaking down undigested food, synthesizing vitamins, and maintaining digestive health. These beneficial bacteria help regulate bowel movements and protect against harmful pathogens. However, a poor diet, high in processed foods, and low in fiber can disrupt this balance, leading to digestive issues and negatively impacting colon function. Maintaining a healthy diet is essential for supporting both the colon and its beneficial bacteria. An unhealthy colon can lead to various digestive issues, including constipation, bloating, and irregular bowel movements, which can significantly impact daily life. When the colon is not functioning properly, it may struggle to eliminate waste effectively, causing discomfort and distress. Additionally, the accumulation of toxins in the body due to poor colon health can adversely affect overall health and mood, leading to fatigue, irritability, and even anxiety. Regular bowel movements are essential for maintaining a healthy colon, as they help prevent the buildup of harmful substances and promote overall well-being, highlighting the importance of prioritizing colon health. Detoxifying the colon can be achieved through various methods that promote optimal digestive health. A fiber-rich diet, abundant in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains, aids in regular bowel movements, which are essential for natural detoxification. Additionally, incorporating fermented foods like yogurt and kimchi can enhance gut health by introducing beneficial probiotics that support digestion. While some may consider laxatives and enemas for quick relief, these methods can pose risks, including dependency and electrolyte imbalances. Emphasizing natural dietary approaches is a safer and more effective way to maintain colon health and facilitate detoxification. Here's a refreshing detoxifying juice recipe that promotes colon health. You'll need 2 apples for fiber and antioxidants, 1 cucumber for hydration, a handful of spinach for vitamins, half a lemon for vitamin C, and a small piece of ginger for its anti-inflammatory properties. Start by washing all ingredients thoroughly. Core the apples and chop them into pieces. Slice the cucumber and ginger. Add all ingredients to a juicer along with the lemon juice and blend until smooth. Strain if desired. Enjoy this nutrient-packed juice regularly to support your detox efforts and enhance your overall well-being. In summary, maintaining colon health is vital for overall well-being, and we've explored various detoxification methods to support this essential organ. Incorporating a fiber-rich diet, fermented foods, and the detoxifying juice recipe we shared can significantly enhance your digestive health. We encourage you to try this refreshing juice to experience its benefits firsthand. If you found this information helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who may also benefit from these health tips. Together, let's prioritize our health and well-being for a happier life.